Hello, Professor. We are Team 5, and this is our business analysis of the restaurant case by using Python. So, our prime objective is to maximize the overall sales by studying the order level data in detail and align them with the customer preferences. So, for this analysis, we have followed the structure of first, we will do the data processing. And then we are going to the current scenario where we will see where the restaurants stand, and then we are doing the exploratory data analysis, where we will be using Python and logic to find patterns and trends. Then we'll be making some strategic recommendations based on our findings. To start with, for the pre-processing, we have imported all the libraries like pandas for data manipulation and matplotlib and seaborn for visualization. And then we have read all the data sets using the read function. Then we have merged the orders to have all the data in one place. So to preview these data sets, we have used the shape and head function to have a view of to find the total number of rows and columns we have in the data set, and also the top five listings of all the items we have in that data set. Then for the cleaning, we have used the null function, where with the null function, we found that there are no null values. There are some NaNs which are not a number, and we have left them as they are, as we didn't want it to misinterpret the data. Then coming to the current scenario, we have used the count function and the bar plot function to find the total orders by restaurant, and we generated this plot. We have also given the title and all the axis legends. So we found we came to a graph such as this. From this, we found that NYU has the highest orders. Similarly, we have found the average daily orders by restaurant, and this was the chart we generated. Then we also found the distribution of item types ordered, whether it was a main dish or a side dish, and we used a pie chart for this. And we found that the side dishes were the most ordered, followed by mains and then bases. Coming to the order type distribution by restaurant, whether the order was in-store pickup or a delivery, we found that we used the stacked bar chart model. And from the chart, we found that across all the restaurants, the in-store orders were the highest. Also, we plotted the monthly trend of order types across all restaurants and found that the in-store across all the seasons had the highest orders, followed by pickup, and delivery orders were the least. So we also observed that the July month had the lowest orders here. Then we also wanted to find the order volume according to the time of the day to understand the customer behavior. So we plotted the order count by time of the day using a bar chart and found that there are some peak hours like 12 and 13 hours and some non-peak hours like the 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock or the 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. We also plotted the order volume by the day of the week and found that weekdays had good orders, which declined in the weekends. Coming to the exploratory data analysis, firstly, we tried to generate a heat map combining the volume order by the day of the week and also the hour of the day. And this heat map generated showed that the traffic was the highest in the weekdays at 12 and 13 hours. We also identified the top main orders, the top 5 main orders by the delivery type. And the graph showed that charred chicken market ball was followed by herb roasted chicken market ball. Then we also combined all the order types, like whether it's a main, side, or base, and found out the top 5 ordered items were such, topped by roasted sweet potatoes. Then we also generated a plot for the bottom least ordered items, so which needed to be worked upon. Then we also founded a plot for the menu items, which were ordered by segregated by the time slot and the order type. And from the graph, we found that the in-store main items dominated the scene. We also had good cookies orders in the lunch and the dinner time. The breakfast and the post-dinner time had very less traffic. So based on our analysis, we have come to a few recommendations. For these recommendations, we have identified 3 key issues. The first one being uh, that there are some non-peak hours. There are time slots which need to be worked upon because the orders declined from the lunch to the snack time. And then there are some months in the year like July, which had the lowest sales, which had to be worked upon. So for that, we are recommending a monthly meal pass. So this recommendation is backed by the industry research, which says that having a meal subscription improves sales. So our monthly meal pass will provide 8 to 12 meals per day, which can be redeemable only on weekdays. And we also want to bundle it with the least ordered items. We also want to give a combo plan where a main will be combined with a drink or slide. And we want to promote this meal pass. So the second key issue we have observed is that there are certain low ordered items. So we want to actually rebrand them and reposition them. So for rebranding, we want to rename them like Roast and Wild Alaskan Salmon Market Boil can be renamed as Aurora Glazed Salmon. And this is backed by research which shows renaming improves sales. And also we want to move these dishes to the high visibility menu positions like the top right quadrant. This is inspired by the neuro market strategy of McDonald's. Then we also want to introduce the limited time offers so as to create scarcity and boost demand. The third key issue we observed is that the deliveries, which we assume include the online deliveries like Uber Eats, are the lowest across all restaurants, across all months. So we wanted to cash on the highly booming online delivery market. So for that, we want to go for an online delivery growth strategy where we'll be launching a specific loyalty program where the customers on their online deliveries will get loyalty points which can be redeemed later. We also want to go for geo-targeted promotions where we will be providing lunchtime pickup offers for nearby vicinities. Then we also want to give a recommended for you section where we'll be providing popular items combined with underperformers based on the AI recommendations. So thus, and I also believe that if we had much more data of the demographics or the of the restaurant, we could have given much more inputs. Even the price was not provided. So thus, with the limited information, we feel that these recommendations are going to improve the overall efficiency and build customer loyalty, which goes a long way in improving the sales. Thank you.